How to fix cldflt.sys. BSOD error after installing KB4517389 on Windows 10? If your Windows 10 PC run into the aforementioned cldflt.sys BSOD error, try the following steps and save your system. 1. Run your Windows in safe mode. http://bit.ly/2ezqqg3 Start Windows in safe mode or safe mode with networking ESET knowledge base. 2. Check if you installed KB4517389. If so, remove that update from your Windows 10. 3. Run show hide updates tool at http://bit.ly/2vdx9hk. How to temporarily prevent a driver update from reinstalling in Windows 10, to block the update from reinstalling automatically. 4. Keep your system up to date and get the official fix installed in time.